Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited and it's because I got new makeup in the mail, and anytime you get makeup in the mail it's like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Christina. You're gonna love me sometimes. I'm kidding, you're gonna love me all the time. If you like this video, go ahead and like it and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me, which I'm sure you do because it's pretty freaking cool. Enough's enough. Let's find out what I got today. I got two palettes by BH Cosmetics called Take Me to Brazil, and of course their new festival one. Now the Take Me to Brazil one, we're not really going to get deep into this palette, but if you want me to do a separate video on this palette, let me know in the comments down below. This palette right here is their new one that they launched recently. It's called Weekend Festival, and before I continue, I am going to be 100% honest with you. I opened the palette and it was scattered, like one shade was scattered everywhere, and I was just heartbroken. Literally just I kind of wanted to just quit on the palette, not even like review it or anything, but I did already tell some of my subscribers and followers on Hush that I was going to do it, so I was like, alright, let me fix it up as much as I can and, you know, try to make the best of it. So I just emailed them and I'm hoping that they'll send me a new palette because it was pretty devastating. But I did clean it up really well, and this is how she looks. Here she is. She is very, very, very pretty. It is 20 shades. We have some shimmers, some mattes. It was this shade right here, the dippy shade, that pink one right here, that was everywhere, like everywhere. And it made everything just look even worse. But I will say one thing. That shade is pigmented as heck. I mean, yeah, my first impressions was, oh my god, I'm gonna die because my palette looks horrible, but it really was pigmented. I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches. You guys know the drill with that. And then we're gonna go dive right into an eye look, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts of whether it was pigmented, whether it blended easily, all that good stuff. Hopefully none of them are chalky because nobody likes a chalky palette. Yeah, so what happened, right? I fixed her again, cleaned her. Going to attempt an eye look. I'm not going to go into this dippy color because clearly this dippy color hates me currently. That dippy color is pigmented, but it leaves a little bit of a dye. Like, I went to wipe my hands, and usually when I wipe my hands the shadow comes off. Even the other ones came off as I was, you know, swatching. I would wipe it off and then dry my finger and so on and so forth. That one, like, first I'm going to go into this shade called Electric and apply that to my upper lid. Next I'm going to go into this baby blue shade called Lisa and apply that directly on top of my lid. At this point, I'm starting to realize that Lisa is giving me a little bit of a hard time when it comes to blending. To me, it's coming out just a little bit patchy compared to like any other shade that I've used when it comes to BH Cosmetics palettes. Didn't like the way that Pelusa shade applied on top of my lid, so I'm going to use this Ultimate Shimmer shade and apply it directly on top of Pelusa to see if that can fix it. Now I'm going to go into this shade called Swag as a transition shade between Electric and Ultimate. I'm going to apply it right on top of my crease and then blend her out. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and go back to the shade Electric and apply that to the bottom of my lower lash line. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the color Swag. Last but not least, I'm going to take that color Spirit and apply it with my finger into the inner corner of my eye. So, what are my final thoughts on the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette? I kind of had a really hard time with the shade Pelusa, which was that like blue shade. It really gave a hard time when it came to blending. And then Electric, that light pink one, like I had to go in a few times, but I mean it did work at the end. The Ultimate shade, which was that, you know, that shimmer blue that I packed on lid, looked absolutely beautiful, and the Swag shade that I used for my crease to define my crease looked absolutely beautiful. Out of the 5, 4 worked. 1 I built up, but the other 3 were like easy peasy. 1 not so much. I'm not sure if the whole palette's like that. Maybe if I had wet the brush, I'm not sure. I didn't wet my brush. I went in with a dry brush. I'm not sure how I 100% feel about this palette. I did love the colors. The colors I think are absolutely stunning. I think I can make a lot of different looks with the palette, but I'm just not sure if there's other, you know, shades in this palette that were like Pelusa that, you know, just won't blend that well. So, I mean, for now, I think that this palette is pretty good. It does work. I like the colors, so I will continue to use it. So if you're thinking about getting this palette, I think that because BH Cosmetics is not expensive, you're not going to spend $40 on this palette. I believe it's like $18 or so. I'll put the price down below. And they always have sales on their site, so you can always get it for cheaper. It wouldn't hurt to try, and so far I think that it is a workable palette, and the colors are really pretty, especially excuse me, the shimmer ones. I popped on some lashes. My eyeliner today did not want to work with me. I even put on some, you know, some Anastasia highlighter because my face needs to like glow from the heavens. On my lips, I just smacked on some Kylie Jenner Nova and topped it with Too Faced Confetti, in case you want to know. I think the look at the end really looks nice, but I just wasn't a fan of that blue shade. That blue shade gonna piss me off. Regardless, I have really salty feelings about this palette because of the fact that it came all messed up, so maybe I'm just being a little bit too shady. I don't know. The palette is workable, so if you want to get it, you totally can. Give it a shot, and who knows, maybe you can make better looks than I can. I don't know. Remember, I'm not a makeup, you know, artist. I'm still learning, and I think I'm getting better every day. Practice makes perfect. Gotta keep practicing, especially, you know, if you're watching me and you're a beginner like me, just keep practicing, because in the beginning I did not get to this point. Like, it would do a lot worse. So I am getting better, but that's because of practice. Practice. Okay, so yeah, that was my my thoughts on the BH Cosmetics Festival palette. Before I end this video, I do want to remind everybody about the giveaway that is still ongoing. It's going to end on April 30th. If you want to join that giveaway, you can watch the Elsa and Olivia palette review along with the Pokemon Beauty Blender holder video. The reason why you have to watch that one is because it's an add-on to what the giveaway is. But yeah, you can go ahead and watch both videos and join the giveaway. You have until April 30th. That's it for today. Thank you for watching as always. And if you love me or you think you're gonna like me, just go ahead and subscribe. That, you know, press subscribe. It's not that hard. Trust me, I got a lot more coming. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for coming, and leave your comments down below. Tell me your thoughts about the palette. Tell me your thoughts about my eye look. Be nice, because, you know, I'm still learning. Don't come from my throat. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.